Grinding this down with an angle grinder. This was a big limb off of a cedar tree and had to take all the bark off of it. But now, after I've done that, I want to get my hole measured for this here to go down into the base over on this, and the only other way I know is to take a drill with a Forstner bit and make so many different holes. But I do know on this older drill, which is about a 54 or something, the power that it has, it can easily spin this right out of my hands. I've had it happen before, which can be dangerous. So I've got it clamped down here to hold it in place because I got to make about 7 different 2-inch holes, and I got my depth set. So we'll start and see how this goes. Definitely does it. I just need to get a mask on, but you drill about 7 2-inch holes into this big circle and try to get this end fixed in, even if you This is my first coat on a cedar coat rack that I just made. I've made a few, but the first one I've actually made out of cedar, and I actually had to put the limbs and everything into it. My other was just an all-natural with a limb and the whole bit, but this will hold 7, 8 different coats, and so far it has turned out pretty nice.